where dramatic Pacific horizons become the backdrop for everyday living. Introducing Cantina at the Legacy Club in Cantina's Pacific South. This 6-bedroom, nearly 6,500 square foot residence, completed in 2017, is a singular expression of contemporary coastal elegance, oriented for unobstructed ocean and golf course panoramas, and designed for seamless indoor-outdoor entertaining. Light-filled social rooms finished in marble flow to expansive terraces and a resort-caliber pool and spa terrace crafted for sunset gatherings, while pergolas, a fire pit, and dedicated barbecue and bar areas extend the living room into the landscape. Thoughtful interiors arrive fully furnished and move-in ready, anchored by a chef's kitchen with premium appliances, generous guest quarters, including a dual bunk suite ideal for family or young guests, and luxe finishes throughout. Sited within the private Legacy Club, ownership includes access to world-class golf, exceptional dining, wellness facilities, and 1.5 miles of pristine Pacific beachfront, all supported by efficient systems including roughly 70 solar panels and concrete construction for enduring quality. Practical conveniences such as covered parking for vehicles and a golf cart garage, abundant storage, and climate-controlled comfort complete the picture. Private tours available this week. Link in the description to book.